to another episode of Stitch and Saturday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to surface slip stitch crochet onto a Tunisian crochet grid or square, and today I'm using a Clover 5.5 mm crochet hook. This is my soft grip, and using just a 18 to 20 inch strand of yarn. This is I believe it's a paint box cotton yarn, and this is also paint box cotton yarn, and I have a little square pad here that I'm gonna surface slip stitch onto. So basically what you're gonna do is take your strand of yarn, leaving a bit of a tail, like maybe 4 inches, because you'll be weaving this in later. You're gonna go in with your hook. So I'm gonna start here at the bottom into the fourth stitch from the right, one stitch up from the edge. I'm just gonna go in, put my hook in like this, just pull my yarn through, and then I'm gonna just pull my yarn through here and tighten the knot. So I've attached my yarn onto the square, and then I'm going to go diagonally into these stitches here. So my first diagonal stitch is here, so I'm going to just go in. Basically you're going to put your hook in, and then you're going to yarn over. You're going to bring your yarn to the back, then to the front like that, and then you're just going to pull this yarn through that loop, and then just pull through the other loop. So you've created your first slip stitch, you can see on here. And then I'm going to go through the next diagonal stitch. So I'm putting my hook in, yarn over, and then you're going to pull through that loop, that first loop here, the one that's on the pad, and then you're going to pull through like that. You're going to keep going across, and you can do this in any shape you'd like, any design you'd like. It's really amazing because you can create some beautiful graphics with surface slip stitch. So again, okay, I'm gonna go into the next diagonal. I'm gonna bring it a little closer to show you guys. So I'm going into the loop here, into the vertical bar, and then I'm gonna yarn over, pull through that loop, and then pull through the other loop here, the one like that. And I'm gonna go in again. So you're going in here, then I'm going to go in, pull up a loop, and then pull through this loop. So you can start to see you have this beautiful line forming here. You can do this for anything. You can even, do monograms, like if you want to add a letter onto something, or any shape really. So it's a really great technique to know. So just one diagonally across, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did 6 slip stitches, surface slip stitches, and so that's what that looks like on your finished piece. And then what you're just gonna do is you're gonna cut your yarn, leaving about like a 4 to 6 inch tail, and then just weave it in into the wrong side of your work. And that's it. It's super simple, super easy technique to know, and very fun technique to know, because you can create a lot of great graphics, a lot of great designs with it. Alright, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.